Orange is Street Avenue
Hit the shoulder at the northbound at the one getting
On June 20th, 2024, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper spotted a white Mercedes-Benz with heavily tinted windows traveling northbound. A routine license plate check quickly revealed that the registered owner had a suspended driver's license and an active order to seize the vehicle's tag. When the trooper activated his emergency lights and siren, the driver refused to stop. Instead, he accelerated away, launching a dangerous high-speed pursuit.
green light, green light, green light.
The Mercedes reached speeds of 114 miles per hour. The pursuit reached its most dangerous moment when the driver suddenly cut across every lane of traffic and attempted an illegal U-turn through the grassy median, crashing directly into a dark-colored SUV. Seizing the opportunity, the trooper immediately executed a pit maneuver, bringing the Mercedes to a stop. As officers surrounded the vehicle, a K-9 unit arrived to assist, and both occupants were taken into custody without further incident. A search of the Mercedes uncovered cocaine, oxycodone, MDMA, marijuana, and drug paraphernalia hidden inside a black bag, adding multiple drug-related charges to an already serious list of offenses. Douglas County, Georgia, September 12, 2023. What appeared to be a simple traffic stop for illegally dark window tint quickly turned into a dangerous pursuit when the driver of a blue Dodge Challenger refused to stop.
Get your hands up! Hands! Get your hands up! Do it now! Show me your hands! Hands out the window! Get your hands! Get out the window! Hands up! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Hey, get on the ground. On the ground. Come here. Come here. We're done.
A search of the vehicle revealed the real reason for the desperate escape. Investigators discovered 25,000 MDMA tablets containing methamphetamine, with an estimated street value of $400,000. The suspect was later convicted and sentenced to 10 years in a Georgia state prison, followed by 20 years of probation.
Orange is Street Avenue units.
In Arkansas, a silver Chevrolet Impala packed with multiple suspects refused to stop for police, triggering a dangerous high-speed chase. As the Impala sped down the highway, one of the occupants tossed a bag of stolen weapons out the window while the driver came within inches of a deadly head-on collision. With the danger escalating, an Arkansas state trooper executed a perfectly timed pit maneuver, sending the Impala spinning to a stop. All 4 doors flew open as the suspects scattered into nearby woods and a barn, but after a brief manhunt, every one of them was captured.
Hey, step out for a second. You better not reach for anything. I'm Trooper Phelps, Arkansas State Police. First time I stopped you, man, because your tags are severely expired and you about cut off a car back there. Keep your hands where I see you. You have your driver's license on you.
In Arkansas, what started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous police chase.
So 31 trying to go into the TDI, but 2 hours road, I'll go back now.
Clear left, clear right, clear left, exactly.
Okay, we're coming up the middle now. We're going south now, south. Yes, we'll be SUV.
TVI. Hands! Show your hands! Hands! No! Hey, I got it.
The chase came to an end when state troopers pinned the SUV, forcing the driver to surrender at gunpoint. A search of the Jeep uncovered suspected Xanax pills and drug paraphernalia, adding even more charges to the suspect's arrest.
Georgia Tag, Charlie Uniform, 7406. Whiskey 7406, clear gold and color Cadillac. Took off.
In Georgia, deputies spotted a white Cadillac with a suspended registration and no insurance. But this wasn't the first time the driver had run from police.
285, he's 85. Traffic. Pit. Put your hands behind your back. Go ahead, put your hand behind your back.
After the arrest, the driver admitted to drinking before getting behind the wheel, and hospital tests later revealed cocaine in his system, adding even more charges to an already reckless escape.
Fort Smith started EMS, they hit a tree, went up, hit them, cars on fire.
1020, I'm talking to
Come on, guy.
Traffic, speed 130, coming up 14.
They're taking the board. Taking the board.
Taking the board.
Eastbound or Kerwin?
Eastbound Cumberland.
We're actually going to go northbound on Ludwig. I believe this is
Ludwig. On there.
They might have just called something at the intersection of Barrow and Ludwig.
Possibly called something at Barrow and Ludwig.
TVI 36 Ludwig.
TVI 36 Ludwig.
The driver got out of the driver's door and started running on foot. The officer followed behind him. After a brief foot pursuit, troopers tracked him down behind a nearby home and took him into custody, while 2 passengers managed to escape the scene.